Want to make your indoor garden look instantly more luxurious? You don't need expensive furniture or designer decor. Sometimes, the right plants can completely transform a space. From dramatic tropical foliage to elegant trailing vines and uniquely patterned leaves, these stunning indoor plants can add sophistication, character, and an expensive-looking touch to any room while keeping your home fresh and inviting. Let's get started with these plants. Philodendron erubescens, Pink Princess. If you want a plant that instantly gives your indoor space a designer look, the Pink Princess philodendron is hard to beat. Its deep, almost black-green leaves are naturally decorated with striking splashes of pink, creating a dramatic contrast that feels incredibly sophisticated. Each new leaf can reveal a different pattern, making the plant look like a living piece of art. Display it in a sleek ceramic or metallic planter against a neutral wall, and it becomes a stunning focal point. With its bold foliage and rare, elegant appearance, the Pink Princess can turn an ordinary corner into a luxurious indoor garden statement. Anthurium clarinervium. Anthurium clarinervium brings a sophisticated, boutique hotel feel to any indoor garden. Its heart-shaped, velvety leaves are deep green, beautifully highlighted by bold, silvery white veins that create an almost hand-painted appearance. The dramatic leaf texture makes it look like a living piece of luxury decor rather than an ordinary houseplant. Place it in a simple, elegant ceramic pot where its foliage can take center stage. Its compact growth also makes it perfect for stylish shelves, side tables, or a carefully designed plant corner. With its rich color, unusual texture, and striking vein pattern, Anthurium clarinervium adds instant elegance and an exclusive touch to your home. Calathea orbifolia, Goepersia orbifolia. Calathea orbifolia is the kind of plant that can make an indoor space feel instantly elegant and sophisticated. Its large, rounded leaves feature beautiful silver-green tones with delicate dark green stripes, creating a soft yet luxurious appearance. The broad foliage gives it a lush, designer look that works beautifully in modern living rooms, bedrooms, or stylish plant corners. Place it in a simple textured planter and let its dramatic leaves become the main attraction. Unlike plants with flashy colors, Calathea orbifolia creates luxury through subtle patterns, graceful foliage, and an effortlessly refined presence. It looks especially stunning when grouped with minimalist decor and neutral-colored furniture. Alocasia polly, Alocasia amazonica. Alocasia polly has a bold, sculptural beauty that can instantly give an indoor garden a high-end designer feel. Its arrow-shaped, deep green leaves are decorated with dramatic, silvery veins, creating a striking contrast that looks almost like artwork. The sharply defined foliage gives the plant an architectural appearance, making it perfect for modern and luxurious interiors. Place it in an elegant ceramic or matte finish planter, and it can become a stunning focal point on a side table, shelf, or plant stand. Its compact size makes it especially appealing for stylish spaces where every detail matters. With its exotic shape and dramatic patterns, Alocasia polly brings a sophisticated tropical touch to your home. Raix begonia, Begonia raixcultorum. Raix begonia can make an indoor garden look like a carefully curated piece of luxury decor. Its spectacular leaves come in an artistic mix of deep green, silver, burgundy, purple, and shimmering metallic tones, with every leaf displaying its own unique pattern. The textured foliage adds depth and a sophisticated visual appeal that instantly catches attention. Place it in an elegant ceramic pot against a neutral background, and its colorful leaves can become a natural centerpiece. Unlike ordinary greenhouse plants, Raix begonia offers a rich, decorative appearance that feels almost handcrafted. With its dramatic colors, intricate patterns, and velvety texture, it brings an artistic and luxurious personality to any indoor space. Swiss cheese plant, Monstera deliciosa. Swiss cheese plant is a true statement piece for anyone who wants an indoor garden with a luxurious, tropical character. Its enormous, glossy green leaves develop dramatic splits and natural holes, giving the plant an instantly recognizable, designer-inspired appearance. As it grows larger, its lush foliage creates a bold sense of abundance that can transform an empty corner into a sophisticated green feature. Place it in a tall, elegant planter beside a sofa, console, or large window, and it can beautifully complement modern interiors. Its sculptural leaves bring the feeling of an upscale tropical resort indoors, making Monstera Deliciosa a perfect choice for a stylish, expensive-looking living space. Orchid Orchidaceae. Orchids can instantly bring a refined, luxurious atmosphere to an indoor space. Their elegant flowers, graceful stems, and delicate appearance make them look like living floral arrangements created for a high-end hotel or boutique interior. With colors ranging from pure white and soft pink to vibrant purple, orchids can complement almost any decor style. Display one in a sleek ceramic pot on a console table, dining area, or side table, and it can become an eye-catching centerpiece. Their sophisticated blooms add a touch of glamour without overwhelming the room. For an expensive-looking indoor garden, few flowering plants create the same elegant and polished impression as an orchid. Watermelon Peperomia, Peperomia argyrea. With leaves that look almost painted by hand, watermelon peperomia is a beautiful choice for creating a refined indoor garden. Its rounded foliage combines soft green and silvery stripes, giving each leaf a distinctive watermelon-like pattern. The compact plant has a neat, polished appearance that works especially well with modern interiors. Set it in a premium ceramic planter on a coffee table, bookshelf, or elegant plant stand, and its unusual foliage becomes a subtle decor highlight. The beauty of this plant lies in its details rather than its size. Its glossy leaves, attractive pattern, and tidy growth make watermelon peperomia a charming addition to a sophisticated, expensive-looking indoor space. Bird of Paradise, Strelitzia reginae. Few indoor plants create such a dramatic sense of grandeur as the bird of paradise. Its tall stems and enormous, banana-like leaves give it the presence of a living architectural feature, instantly filling an empty corner with tropical elegance. The broad foliage creates a lush, resort-inspired atmosphere that pairs beautifully with contemporary furniture and spacious interiors. Place it in a tall, sophisticated planter beside a sofa, entrance, or large window, and it can become the room's natural focal point. Even without flowers, its striking silhouette has a luxurious appeal. For anyone dreaming of an indoor space that feels like an upscale tropical retreat, Bird of Paradise is an exceptional choice. Silver Sateen Pothos, Scindapsus pictus. Silver sateen pothos has a quiet elegance that makes it perfect for sophisticated indoor spaces. Its heart-shaped, deep green leaves are scattered with beautiful silver markings, creating a shimmering effect whenever light touches the foliage. As the stems grow longer, they naturally cascade over shelves, cabinets, or elevated planters, adding movement and softness to the room. The combination of rich green and silvery patterns gives this plant a premium decorative quality without looking overly flashy. Display it in a sleek ceramic pot or let it trail from a stylish hanging planter for a contemporary designer feel. Its graceful foliage can transform a simple corner into an elegant, expensive-looking indoor garden. Burro's Tail, Sedum morganianum. Cascading gracefully from its pot, Burro's tail has a distinctive beauty that can turn an ordinary shelf into an elegant display. Its long trailing stems are densely covered with plump, blue-green leaves, creating a lush waterfall-like effect. The unusual texture gives this succulent a sculptural quality that works beautifully with modern and minimalist interiors. Place it in a raised ceramic planter or let it spill naturally from a high shelf, where the trailing stems can become part of the room's decor. Its soft foliage and graceful form add character without looking overwhelming. With the right planter and placement, burro's tail can create a sophisticated, boutique-style look in any indoor garden. Philodendron Birkin. What makes Philodendron Birkin so captivating is the delicate pinstriping that appears across its dark green leaves. Fine cream and white veins create an elegant contrast, giving the foliage a sophisticated, almost hand-painted appearance. As new leaves emerge, their patterns can develop differently, making the plant feel unique and ever-changing. Its compact, upright growth fits beautifully into modern apartments, stylish offices, or carefully designed living rooms. Place it in a minimalist ceramic planter to highlight its intricate foliage without overwhelming the decor. With its refined stripping, glossy leaves, and contemporary character, Philodendron Birkin adds a polished designer touch that can make an ordinary indoor plant collection feel much more luxurious.